Hi, my name's Amber from Middlesbrough and I had a breast augmentation with Dr Reza Nassab 4 months ago. I had been thinking about having surgery for quite a few years. I had small breasts, my friends have bigger breasts and I was feeling quite self-conscious on holiday. And it was one of my best friends that had her breasts done by Dr Reza Nassab and I liked the look of them, so I got in contact and went ahead with the surgery. I contacted the clinic on Instagram and I was booked in for a Zoom consultation, which was very informative. I was happy with all the answers given, so I went ahead and booked a face-to-face consultation in the Manchester clinic. I tried a few different implant sizes on, which obviously give me a more clear idea of what size I want to go for. Dr Nassab was very helpful in helping me decide what looks right, what was best for the proportions of my body, and then we picked the implant size that we wanted to go for, and then we booked a surgery date. Prior to the surgery, I was feeling pretty anxious, but all the team were extremely helpful in reassuring me that everything was going to be okay. They were always just at the other end of the phone if I needed any questions. And then when it came to the surgery day, I arrived at the hospital. I was welcomed by, I think it was a couple of nurses, and Dr Reza Nassab was there as well. So when we arrived at the hospital, the process was very smooth. I was taken to my room. There was the surgeons there to greet me and answer any last minute questions that I had. And yeah, it was just a smooth process. I felt like I was in safe hands before the surgery. So going into the anaesthetic room, I was quite nervous. But again, the team were just absolutely amazing. They were there for reassurance. And they just made me feel completely at ease, to be honest, before the surgery, so I was quite calm. So when I initially woke up, I did feel a little bit of pain, but within seconds there was a nurse there giving me something to help with the pain, and in a matter of minutes it was completely gone and I was back in my room, settled. The most difficult part in the whole recovery process wasn't even the pain, it was just getting used to sleeping in like a 45-degree angle. But it took about 2 weeks-ish to feel back to normal again, and it was completely worth it. Like that little process of a little, difficult sleeping, you just forget about completely. After the surgery, I feel lots more confident, just in the way I carry myself, in the way I act around my friends. It's completely changed my life, to be honest. I'm more outgoing, I do more things, I'm not afraid to go in social settings. I just feel a lot more confident. If anyone's thinking about going for breast augmentation or any other type of surgery, I would 100% recommend CLNQ Clinic. They've been amazing from start to finish and they're still there afterwards for whenever I need them.